Welcome to the 1099 ETC program. The ACA Filer can be a standalone module or integrated into AMS Payroll. The ACA Filer supports Forms 1095B and 1095C, along with the associated 1094 transmittal forms. These forms can be printed or e-filed to the IRS. Employee copies can be printed and distributed, and if software-generated forms is purchased, all copies can be printed on blank paper. For more information on the ACA requirements, please review the IRS Revenue Codes, Sections 6055 and 6056. This tutorial covers e-filing the 1095C forms with services in the ACA Filer. To get started, open the 1099 ETC program. At the main menu, select ACA Filer. Highlight the pair, ABC Payroll, and click OK. Once the 1095C data is entered and verified using the Insured command, click E-File. Select 1095C. Select File with Services. You can file either original or corrected forms. To continue, select Original. At this point, if there are any warnings or errors, the preview dialog will display. Click View. Review or print the warnings or errors, correct and then re-file. If there are no warnings or errors, or they have been corrected, the e-filing services screen will display. The options include e-filing the IRS, printing and mailing the recipient copies via first-class mail, recipient online retrieval, creating a PDF file for the recipient copies of the forms, saving the file to a CD, and shipping it to a specific address, creating a PDF file for the payer copies of the forms, saving the file to a CD, and shipping it to a specific address. Select e-file to the IRS. Click OK. Enter the designated government entity information, if applicable, and click OK. Enter the ALE information and click OK. If applicable, fill out the information and click OK. Click Continue when the process is complete. Next, click Yes to submit the ACA data electronically. At this point, the data is being transmitted to the third-party vendor. If you have not created an account with a username and password to log on onto their system, you will be prompted to do so. Enter the data to set up the account. All fields in red are required. Click Submit. If the account is not created, review the account setup screen, fix any errors and resubmit. Click OK. If there are any errors at this point, you will get an errors in transmission message. This will stop the e-file process. Click OK to view and print the errors. Fix the errors and then restart the e-file process from the beginning. If there are no errors, a batch number will be assigned to the submitted data. Each time data is submitted, a new batch number is assigned. The next step is to pay for the batch. Check the box next to the batch number. Click Pay Selected Batches. Once confirmed, the batches listed on the screen cannot be cancelled. Click Yes. If the payment information has not been set up, the credit card information will need to be added on a secure website. Click Add Card. You will be directed to a secure website to enter the credit card information. Once entered, click Submit. Once the credit card information has been added, click OK. Select the credit card or prepaid account. If you have a prepaid account, enter the account number. Click OK. When the billing information is accepted, click OK to continue. Once the payment is accepted, the status in the left panel, for the batch, will change from unpaid to paid. In the right panel, Invoice paid has been added to the Itemized Status section. Click Quit. When the invoice is paid, the third-party vendor will be getting the data ready to submit to the government. At this point, there are several processes that the batch will go through. You will need to track this process to confirm the government has accepted the batch. In the ACA Filer, select e-file and then check batch status. The Itemized Status section will list each step as the batch is processed. The process may take days or even weeks before the file is accepted by the government. If at any time the batch is rejected, the errors will need to be corrected and the batch will need to be e-filed again. Otherwise, the last status will be filing accepted, which means the government has reviewed the batch and it has been accepted. Once accepted, there is nothing more to do for that batch. Click Quit to return to the main menu. For further assistance, please review the frequently asked questions on our website. Or please refer to the help files for additional information. Technical support can be reached by email, fax, chat or phone. Thank you for using the 1099 etc. program. Have a great day.